All right, we're here another beautiful day in Texas. Wind blowing. There's literal brown in the sky. That's why all my shit's never clean. Got the ST here. We got our new tips in from MBRP that I bought. M5. Fans on. I just got home. Ran it a little hard. So good news is I only have to take one of them off since that one fell off. And some more good news is this one's loose again. So that won't be bad at all. Just take that off, get that on here. I might as well try a few more of these other clamps. But yeah, I mean, like, y'all can see the bolts are all the way tightened and everything is just loose. So I'm gonna get these off, throw the new ones on. I'll show y'all guys that here in a second. It's gonna be sick. I got they're not carbon, but they're like the black plastic capped around the stainless like that, so they look black from the outside. Look pretty sick. Yeah, let's get started. Okay, so actually I need set pliers. Got the X3 in here looking dirty. Some damage. Talk about that different video. Gonna get these things removed. Make it look a lot better. Little X3. My garage is a wreck because I got my kids' shit everywhere. Just got these new wheels and tires set up on it. Little 15 KMCs. I think I'm the only one in Texas that have had these. I had them, they're ordered, like pre-ordered, and I got them as soon as they hit the factory. So I think that should be one of the first ones in Texas with them. Pretty cool. Like 15 by 10 wides. Stretches the tire a little bit more, but now they're all square. Anyway, back to the ST. About to take that off. Here are the MBRP new ones. Look pretty good. It has like that, you know, it's not carbon, right? But it's like that fake carbon look, but it looks good from the back. Like, I think it'll look nice sitting, and I think, yeah. Which obviously it goes a lot farther in. Oh, there we go. I can actually put them on. So, actually I have them swapped, but that one's obviously going to go on that side. It's not supposed to be sticking out like that, but get a rough idea. I'm going to go ahead and set this up, kind of swap these out. Okay, so I finally got the tips on. These clamps are already 100% better. I can tell that they're different clamps than the ones that came off from the stock, or not the stock, I'm sorry. The ones I ordered before, they're different size clamps. So they, see, that one's literally, that nut was all the way compressed. Obviously I loosened it to get it off. And look at this one. Not even all the way, not even close to all the way compressed, and it's completely tight. It doesn't even move. So they definitely switched clamps. There's definitely a screw up on their end. I don't know what happened to that. I don't know how you messed that up. These look great, right? Well, guess what? As I was talking about the quality, they look good. They sent me two of the same side. So see how far this sticks out right here? It's not supposed to do that. It's supposed to be like this. It's supposed to be this inner one's longer and then this one's shorter because the bumper curves in. This one is technically supposed to be on that side. So now I didn't realize that until after I put them on. I was straightening them up and then I realized. So just as I was talking about quality, I thought that they had the quality problem fixed and they send me two of the same sides. So that's my experience with MBRP. I will probably never order anything from them again, to be honest. This is why there's a price difference in some of the products, obviously. So yeah, but I'm gonna do a first startup real quick, just so we can hear it. Still, I'm just gonna leave it on there and just have them send me another one because I'm not driving around with one tip again and I already have the new one. So, God, that's so frustrating. It looks like shit too. You can see it like that, like, so dumb. And I know that that's what they did because each one came in a separate box. So they definitely grabbed two of the same boxes and shipped them out. So now I get to wait another 2 weeks. But anyway, I'll do the first startup, some revs, let you guys hear it. So the wifey's leaving. I thought I'd get a little pull off video. I kind of like it.